Welcome to this transformative guided meditation designed to help you overcome impatience and embrace the profound wisdom of divine timing. Within the realm of the law of attraction, we understand that patience is a remarkable virtue, and trust in the universe's timing is the key to manifesting your deepest desires. Through this meditation, we'll reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with the divine guidance of the universe. By dedicating yourself to practicing these affirmations and intentions daily, you'll nurture the patience and trust essential for effortlessly manifesting your desires. To initiate your meditative state, find a serene, quiet space and close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nostrils, permitting your lungs to be fully filled. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Engage in this rhythmic breathing, with each inhalation visualizing healing energy entering your body, and with each exhalation, envision the release of tension, negativity, and disease. Shed distractions, allowing yourself to enter a profound state of meditation. Now, let's embark on our journey of transcending impatience and entrusting ourselves to the divine timing. I encourage you to echo these affirmations within your consciousness, permitting them to permeate your essence. I am in perfect harmony with the universal flow, moving with grace in divine timing. I trust unwaveringly in the divine timing of my desires, allowing them to manifest in their own perfect rhythm. I am an adept cultivator of patience, embracing its gentle presence with each passing day. With profound resolve, I relinquish all resistance to the unfolding of time, knowing that it serves as the perfect canvas for my manifestations. I honor the universe's intelligence, acknowledging that it orchestrates the precise moments for my desires to materialize. I wholly embrace the boundless wisdom inherent in divine timing, recognizing that it guides me to the most opportune instances. My desires manifest at the ideal pace, unfolding harmoniously and unimpeded. Impatience, which once hindered my progress, now melts away as I bask in the soothing glow of trust. Trusting in divine timing infuses me with deep serenity, freeing me from the shackles of anxiety. I am receptive to the universe's unerring guidance, surrendering to its wisdom and its orchestration of perfect moments. I release all anxiety related to the ticking of the clock, embracing the universal clockwork that aligns perfectly with my desires. Patience has become my steadfast ally, strengthening me on my journey. I release any apprehension tied to the concept of time, understanding that it merely serves as a framework for my manifestations. I wholeheartedly trust in the universe's intricate design, acknowledging that its timing is flawless. Divine timing seamlessly aligns my desires with their destined moments of manifestation. I am at peace with the natural unfolding of my desires, allowing them to flow gracefully into my reality. Impatience is but a distant memory as trust washes over me, paving the way for my heart's deepest desires. I permit the universe to work its magic in its own time, embracing its divine orchestration. I am in perfect sync with the universal rhythm of life, synchronizing effortlessly with the tapestry of existence. I trust the process of manifestation, knowing that it unfolds with innate perfection. Divine timing ensures that my desires align with the perfect moments, ushering in their fruition with grace and precision. I'm patient, calm, and confident, unwavering in my trust in the universe's guidance. I release all doubt tied to the passage of time, acknowledging that trust trumps apprehension. The universe's timing is impeccable, guiding me toward perfect moments for my desires. I embrace trust in the process, permitting the universe to orchestrate my manifestations. Patience is a source of strength within me, a quality I embrace wholeheartedly. I release all fear associated with the fleeting nature of time, trusting in the universe's guidance. I align with the natural cadence of the universe, surrendering to its wisdom. I permit my desires to manifest with ease, grace, and divine precision. Patience is a gift I offer to myself, nurturing it with love and care. I trust that everything unfolds at the right moment, aligning with the universe's divine plan. I release the need for haste, permitting trust to take its place as the guiding force in my life. Divine timing is my loyal companion, guiding me toward the fulfillment of my deepest desires. My essence harmonizes seamlessly with the universe's wisdom, creating a tranquil tapestry of existence. I permit the universe to unfold my desires gracefully and without haste. Patience is a virtue that strengthens me, endowing me with unwavering confidence. I release all doubt, embracing trust with open arms, and allow it to transform my life. The universe's guidance leads me through the river of time, orchestrating perfect moments for my desires. I am in perfect harmony with the universe's boundless love, trusting its divine timing. I'm patient, persistent, and profoundly at peace, allowing trust to guide my every step. I relinquish all fear associated with time, knowing that trust and divine timing illuminate my path. Patience is a beautiful gift I offer to myself daily, nurturing it with love, care, and gratitude. I trust unwaveringly in the divine timing that leads me to the fulfillment of my deepest desires. Continuing to breathe deeply, allow these affirmations to immerse you in the gentle embrace of patience and trust. Visualize your desires unfolding gracefully and harmoniously, as you place your trust in the divine timing of the universe. You are a co-creator with the universe, and your trust in the process is the source of your greatest power. Conclusion. As you conclude this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for the newfound qualities of patience and trust you've cultivated. These qualities will serve as your guiding light on your journey of manifestation. To achieve the best results, commit to listening to these affirmations daily, permitting them to reprogram your subconscious mind and align you with the universe's wisdom. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more empowering guided meditations. Thank you for joining me on this transformative path toward patience and trust in divine timing. Trust, gratitude, and mindfulness will carry you forward, on your journey to manifesting your desires with grace and serenity.